Titan pressure washing here. We're over here at Loblolly in Hobe Sound. We're doing some rust removal for this community, this HOA. Had a golf cart that batteries exploded up there by the guardhouse, and they tried to get it off themselves by using muriatic acid, and it didn't all come up. It just kind of spread it everywhere. And then they tried to get the golf cart out, I guess, this way, and so it leaked out onto the pavers. And they knew exactly who to call. They picked up the phone, called Titan, and we got out here this morning, or yesterday, observed everything that needed to happen, took everything into account, and got cones and everything so we could block everything off. And now we're just doing our initial cleaning. We'll go back through anything that, any little areas, like over here by the door, I saw an area, right here. You can see how it's heavily pitted right there, and there's rust. So we'll address those areas. Most concerning is the asphalt here. It's older asphalt, so it's grayed out. There's not much actual tar left in the top coat. So we're gonna go back over this. We're using hot water. We're gonna try to even everything out. You can see up here where this is the initial area where the actual battery explosion happened. And you can see this white stuff is still muriatic acid down here. So we're gonna use the hot water to remove that. We're wearing all of our PPE. We're running masks and stuff. So there's some extra little spots where it kind of popped out of the golf cart a week before. A couple of spots up here. Went ahead and, it ran down both sides. So we got this pad here with a sensor, and then we've got all these pavers here that are lightly coated. So I've done up to right about level with the speaker box. We haven't treated anything far forward because we're going to do one side at a time. This side has a whole bunch of oil marks on it as well from all the cars parking. We're going to try to take care of that for them as well. You can see some of the rust there. We're going to try to treat that for them as well. So anyway, we're over here at Loblolly. We've got the F350 out running right now. So if you've got any issues like this, your HOA, whether you're an actual HOA or you live in an HOA and you need professional detailing work done, as far as like pressure washing and detail work like this, pressure washing, soft washing, paver sealing, give Titan a call. We'll come out, we'll take care of all your needs. We show up, we do the job right. Call us, look at our website, it's titanpw.com. We're on YouTube, so that's titanpressurewashing.fl. Share, like, and subscribe, guys. Till next time.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.